The things pedophiles say. Hey, do you want to help me look for my dog? Because, you know, I've been looking for him and, can't really seem to find him. No. You know, we can go to my backyard and play in the pool, you know. But the rules are you have to play naked. Hey, we can, you wanna come with me in my car and we can just hang out? Like, my mom's been wanting me to look for new friends. Oh, how old am I? Oh, I'm only 30. Hey, we could, go over to back of my van and, do a photo shoot. Hey, how about we fuck? Yeah, let's fuck. Yeah, so, if you're like Rihanna, you're gonna love my whips and chains. So I was wondering, you wanna get together sometime and we can, you know, have some fun? Yeah. 6 or 7. Yeah, you know, ever since, you know, my kids left me kind of alone. Wanna take a breath? Hey, I was wondering if you wanted to chill or something, you know, have some quality time together as strangers. We can fuck in my backyard. In my backyard. I'm just gonna be straight up with you. You look like a pretty muscular young man. Seem healthy. No AIDS. No STDs. You wanna fuck? We can fuck. Just being straightforward. We can fuck. Right now. I like my boys like I like my wine. 18 years of age and in my basement. Lego. Hope you enjoyed that video.